Hello and welcome to today's video. This is Link gamedev. So we have new updates for my project. Today I was working on animations and path 2D on Godot 4. And as you can see, I set up a path for this enemy and this one, and you can see this enemy loops in a path and this one ping pongs in its path, and when I touch it the player loses and restarts the scene. And this might not look that much. That's because it wasn't easy to set up this feature in Godot 4, and I documented it. Here's another thing that I documented in my documents for tutorials. It's about pixel perfect or rendering nearest pixel in the game. It makes your character look very sharp, your pixel art, and you gotta select your player node and go to texture and filter and select nearest. And also another thing is that if you want to set all of the objects or nodes in your project to be set to nearest, you can go to project settings and go to textures and select nearest for canvas texture. This will automatically reset all of the objects to be rendered like nearest pixel. This was all the updates for today, and I added some random tiles in the game like this, and I was practicing. And I think the next tutorial that I will going to learn is about sound effects and music, which it will makes the code really nice. The game, I mean. I have double jump here. The nice thing about Godot is that I could create this game, and I probably can create 2.5D project, probably that it can be created with 3D objects, and it can be a very nice experience that I will try to do later. And as you can see, I looped through the level, and it was this for now. And thanks for watching.